In global trade news, the United States has launched sweeping trade investigations into China, adding tension just weeks before a high-stakes summit in Beijing. The probes will look into unfair trade practices and excess manufacturing capacity. Experts say the move is designed to maximize leverage for the administration, using the threat of tariffs as a primary negotiating tool. This comes at a fragile time for the top two economies in the world. Diplomatic talks are further complicated by ongoing conflicts in the Middle East, which are currently threatening global supply chains and energy reserves. Turning to international markets, consumer inflation in India rose for the fourth consecutive month, reaching 3.21% in February. This increase was driven largely by rising food costs. While the inflation rate remains within the central bank target range, global energy risks are looming large. The conflict in the Middle East has disrupted shipping through a critical waterway for global energy trade. Because India relies heavily on this route for its crude oil and cooking gas imports, economists expect the central bank to hold interest rates steady to manage the rising fuel costs. In global commodities, gold prices have remained surprisingly flat despite escalating conflicts in the Middle East. Typically, geopolitical turmoil pushes investors towards safe haven assets. However, spot gold recently fell back to trade around $5,175 per ounce. Financial analysts point to a stronger United States dollar and higher Treasury yields as the main reasons for this stall. Rising oil prices could also lead to prolonged inflation and higher interest rates globally. Despite this short-term volatility, major banks remain optimistic, predicting gold could reach $6,300 by the end of 2026.